Hello Tarot Tribes, welcome to the free Tarot tutorials. Today what we are going to discuss, we will be learning about Death card. 13th number card of the Major Arcana. As we see by name itself, it looks like scary. But actually the card is not that much scary. It's a very positive card. What this Death card indicates, it indicates rebirth, transformation. Universal truth about the death is that everything that is born by definition dies at some time. So whatever it came in life, whatever has born, that has to get end at some point of time. So it shows ending and embracing the change and transformation. If you are not embracing the change, so you are not going to survive and your species is going to end. So now let's jump directly on the symbology. Here in the card you will see the death, a skeleton wearing a armor, rides a horse, and he entered into a town during sunset. Here you see the sunset. And here now one thing we should observe, death and sunset we are connecting. Why the sunset here we are reading? Sunset we know that is the official ending of one day and the beginning of the next day. So once the sunset will come, then only the sunrise is possible. So this is the logic behind this sunset. So this thing has to get end. We should hope for the new day or new morning. Here in the picture you see this person, he looks like a priest. Here one person is lying down, he is died already. So he is lying down, he looks like a king. A young girl is there, she seems to be very ill, could be just because of all chaotic situation she could not tolerate and she is feeling sick, or she could be scared. This little girl, since she is very young, so there is possibility she is not able to understand and she must be embracing. As we know, the children's, they used to enjoy with each and everything. So when we'll collect everything together, what we understood here, no matter how rich or how much wisdom you are having, your wealth, your reputation, your high rank, doesn't matter. Death is not going to spare anyone. So here you can see the priest, he is begging for the life. Here the king has died, the young girl is already scared. Here you can see the death is not sparing anyone. It doesn't matter how rich you are, how prestigious person you are, how much reputation you are having. You could be on very high rank person, you could be very authoritative person, but death, the change, it is not going to spare you. So for everything there is a season. Something has started, so that has to be end one day. Death in a reading, what it shows lot of hustle bustle, transformation, a major change, a major shift. But it is not similar to the Tower card. Even the Tower card also shows the lot of hustle bustle, lot of that also shows the accident. Here you can see this also shows accident. Here it is a tower and people are falling apart. This is also shows a kind of accident, lot of hustle bustle, pain is there, situation is chaotic. But this is done by the external factor. Just see, it is done by externally. However, the death is internal, your internal change, your internal transformation it talks. So in a reading, death shows watch out for the changes which is going through internally. Rebirth of something new is very much required at this point of time. It could be your boring life, outdated ideas. You must be on this stagnation and you have to leave this. The leaving could be very difficult, but you have to come out. Why? Anyhow, this is going to get end, so you have to move towards this pillar and move towards the sunrise. You have to leave this place and just go to the another place. So death, basically it shows the rebirth, transformation, major shift, major change in your life. Very rare it shows the real death in the reading, but yes, it represents the death also, the physical death also it shows, but that you will got very rare in the reading. So this is what the meaning of the death card. Try to connect with your card and what symbology or what particular image has taken your attention is going to be a perfect meaning of that card. For example, I pull out a card during my guidance for a day. One card pulling, as we know, we are doing in a routine. I had taken out, so what I would understand, what this death is showing. If I will look at once, what I feel, the card is just talking about some change. But again, at another day when I pulled this, the same card it has come, what I felt, I think I should go to some other place. I need to change my plan before sunset could be. I need to take some major decision before sunset, such kind of thing. So whatever your intuition says, that is the correct meaning of the card. Traditional meaning you can refer from the PDF, but read your card intuitively. Why? You need to connect with the card, then only card will talk to you very clearly and it is going to become your best companion. So connect with your card, get more meaning. This is a very less, hardly the 10% of the meaning I am discussing right now. Card is having more meanings. The more you are dwelling into the card, go and play a role, get inside the card, play a role, and you are going to get more meaning from this one card itself. So I hope you would have liked the meaning. If so, comment below and let me know. Thank you so much.